Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. So let's get started. So to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat, what you can do is just open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, now what you can do is just tap on the plus icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on the plus icon, you can find this third option which is tone. And what tone does is it will improve your image quality by improving the snap by fixing exposure issues. So what you can do is just simply turn on this option, and after turning on this option, now what you can do is adjust the amount of tone that you would like in your snap. So after doing that, now what you can do is just simply upload your snap, and that will be of high quality. So that's it guys, this is how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.